Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to easily download and install iOS 26 on your iPhone device. So guys, it's very easy to do. You don't need to download any beta profiles or something about it. Just open your settings on your iPhone. As you can see, I have old iPhone, I have an iPhone 12. Then just scroll down, find here General, find Software Update, wait a while, and here you will see Beta Updates. So click on it, and here find iOS 26 Developer Beta. Click on it, go back, and here update this page, and you will see iOS 26 Beta. Click Update Now, enter your passcode, and wait for several minutes. After a while, as you can see, I have about 3 minutes remaining, so let's wait these 3 minutes. As you can see now, after several minutes, we have preparing update, so let's wait another while. Cool guys, so after preparing, as you can see now, my iOS updating. And okay guys, that's it. As you can see here, I have new OS. I have iOS 26. As you can see here, we have our glassy design. It looks different. Okay, software update complete. Okay, let's click continue. Face ID setup later. As you can see, we have different type of buttons here. It have different shape. Just wait a while. I'll set up Apple Pay a little bit later. And cool, that's it. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. For you it was just 2 minutes. For me it take a little bit longer. But that's it. Hope this video was helpful. See you.